welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I want to show you how to set up your DOIP so you can your DOIP cable so you can do troubleshooting. So DOIP stands for Diagnostic over Internet Protocol. So it's a faster way to communicate with a car, but it's also on some cars kind of like required to be able to do more in-depth things, things like programming and things of that nature. So we have 3 cables here, and we do have this as a kit. So there's the Ethernet cable, there's this that's going to go into the OBD2 port. On the other hand, you're actually going to plug the VCI adapter, so you would plug that there like so. Now on the other hand, here you would plug Ethernet cable to that, and then on this end of it you would plug this Ethernet to USB adapter, and then you would plug this into the scanner like so. Okay, and now what we have here, if we have the scanner, we have USB to Ethernet adapter, we have the internet cable there, and then we have this now goes into the OBD2 port. This is how you connect this, and this is, you know, for Mercedes, but newer ones, like and again, like if you need to do things like coding and things of that nature, but a lot of the newer cars do require DOIP adapter to do advanced functions. So you'd plug this into the OBD2 port, and then you'll be able to dive deeper into your vehicle. And that's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.